Hello carpet cleaners, John Williams here from AGB, and today I want to talk about why your carpet cleaning ads on Facebook are not working. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name's John Williams. Like I said, I am the CEO of a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business, and we specialize in digital marketing for the carpet cleaning industry. We have worked with hundreds and hundreds of carpet cleaners across the USA and worldwide, and we continue to do so. Over the last 12 months alone, we've spent over $2 million on paid advertising for carpet cleaners. So we really know exactly what works, what doesn't. We've tested literally everything. And I personally believe there isn't another company on this planet that has spent as much as we have, that has done as much testing as we have, that has run as many carpet cleaning paid advertising campaigns as we have in the world. So we really know what we're talking about. And the purpose of these videos is not for me to sell you anything. I simply want to give back to the carpet cleaning community as much free value as I humanly can. Nothing makes me happier than seeing you guys be successful. So anything that I can do to help you guys take things to the next level, that's what I'm here to do. So let's dive in. Why are your Facebook ads not working? Why are you not driving results, inquiries, bookings, so on and so forth? I know that it's really hard, like it's difficult to stomach, like bringing your prices down and stuff like this. But it's really important that you guys understand the game of Facebook ads. It's different to Google. Let's get into this. So with Google, people know they've got a problem. They need it sorted quickly, and they're prepared to pay a premium for a good service and to get it done in a speedy amount of time. So let's say, and this is where people that need their carpets clean, where they go, Google. So let's say Linda, she's got kids, she's got a cat, a dog, they made a mess of the carpet. The family's coming over in 2 days. I need that carpet cleaned yesterday. Where is she going to go? Is she going to go on Facebook, or is she going to go on Google? She's not going to go on Facebook and hope and pray that she gets targeted by an ad, right? She's going to go on Google, and she's going to be searching like carpet cleaner her area, and she's going to probably go on Google My Business and probably call the top 3 or 4, get a price. You know, she's going to want someone good, and she's going to want someone that can come around quickly. So she's going to be prepared to pay a premium amount of money for that to happen. So that's Google for you. But with Facebook, it's a very different beast. People, when they go on Facebook, they might not even necessarily be thinking about getting their carpet cleaned. They're just minding their own business, and then they get hit by this huge ad, this billboard for your company with a special offer in it. And so therefore, it's more of an impulse buy. It's a bit like when you go to the store to like buy one thing and you come out with 2 or 3 things that you never intended to buy because they were on special offer by the checkout, by the tills, right? That's pretty much it. You know, you're walking through the supermarket, maybe you need to get washing up liquid, toilet roll, whatever it is. You've got that in your basket. You're about to go to the checkout, and there's a big display there with like buy one, get one free on chocolate or something. The deal ends tomorrow, and you think, wow, that's great. I can get 2 bars of chocolate for the price of 1. That's going in the basket as well, right? Boom. That's kind of how Facebook advertising works. It's more about an impulse buy. And so psychologically, at least, the people that see this ad, they need to feel like they're getting like a great offer. It's a bargain. And so that's why they're like, wow, you know, that's a great offer. And there's some scarcity in there. It's going to end soon. So I want to grab that because that's an offer not to be missed, not to be turned down. So that's the mentality of Facebook and the kind of people that you're going to get on Facebook. Like I say, you've got a couple of options here. You can either play the game or not play the game. You know, like if you don't want to play the Facebook game, then don't advertise on Facebook, man. Just put all your money into Google, dominate Google. However, if you're a switched on business person that owns a carpet cleaning business, that you want to grow, you want to be a multi-truck operation, then you play the game. Because if you cut off Facebook, that's a monumental amount of traffic that you've just cut off coming into your business. That's a monumental amount of customers and revenue that you're now losing. So if it was me as the business owner, play the game and just be switched on about it. What I would do is I would have my Google pricing, my premium pricing, those people that are problem aware, that know that, you know, my carpet's screwed, I need someone to come around and do it tomorrow, I'm prepared to pay top dollar for that to happen. And then you have your Facebook pricing. And your Facebook pricing might be a little bit lower, and you might throw a couple of extra bits and pieces in there to sweeten the deal so that people feel like, wow, this is a great deal. For example, it could be 3 rooms, you'll do a deodorizer in one of the rooms, and maybe you'll do a small landing, like tiny little landing. But on paper, like 3 rooms, landing and a deodorizer in one room, that little combo So that's a good little deal, right? Awesome. Maybe you like knock $10 off the price or something like that, or reduce it somewhat for Facebook customers, for those impulse buyers. You'd prefer to be charging your Google prices, but think about it this way. This is all about getting your foot in the door, okay? And I'm not saying that you should be slashing your prices by 50% or whatever. Just be switched on, man. Just sweeten the deal. Reduce it a little bit. Throw a few extra bits and pieces in there that's like low cost for you to do. If you'd like to find out more about working with us, about how we can work directly with you to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, click the link down below. You can check out our website, check out our testimonials, and schedule a time to talk to us. No obligations, no pressure. We just love meeting you guys, love sharing value, and we'll show you what we can do. And if you want to take it further, that's absolutely fine. We do have limited spots. It's an exclusive service, so do schedule a time now if you would like to find out a little bit more about that. Peace. See you soon. See you on the other side.